Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Snapchat username. All right, start by opening up your Snapchat app. Now, once you're in here, just tap on your profile right here at the top left. All right, tap on it. Now, as you can see here, my Snapchat username is my full name. So to be able to change it, I'm just going to tap on the gear icon right here at the top right. Tap on it. Now in here, as you can see, in my account section, you'll be able to see name. All right, as you can see here, just tap on it. Now to change it, just go ahead and tap on the name itself. All right, and hit on X to delete. Now we'll be able to enter our custom username. Let's say, for example, made for money. All right, once done, once you're okay with that, just go ahead and hit on save and wait for it to load. As you can see here, my name has been updated to Made for Money. And when we go back to our Bitmoji, right here, as you can see, and that's basically how you change your Snapchat username. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.